How about a little stuffed zucchini with garlic and brie? So let's get that butter in the skillet. That's a good, almost 2 tablespoons. And let's get the garlic in there. This is my garlic, which I peel, mix with olive oil in the Cuisinart. Put this in the freezer, and whenever I need it, I take it out a couple hours before. Fresh garlic. Take the scoop and go dead center. Take that out. I'm going to season this with a little pepper right now, salt later, because I'm feeling that if I put salt on there now, it's going to draw moisture out of the zucchini, and I don't want to do that yet. So we'll put some pepper on both sides and put that in there. Raise the flame a little, zero in on it, then we're going to cook that a little bit on both sides. And of course, the little piece that we took out, we'll finish cooking that too. I'm going to put a lid on it. It's a moderate flame. I'm not cooking this very fast. I don't want the butter to brown a lot, but most likely it will. But you can use olive oil if you don't want to use butter. Then I'm going to get my the brie, which I have trimmed already, because I eat the skin part. That's what I call it. But I clean that up. And we're going to take the scoop and scoop a good amount of brie, a little bit larger than the whole, like so, and just keep that there and wait. And the rest I'm going to eat. This will take a few minutes because it's rather thick. What smells better than garlic and butter cooking? I'm going to turn it over now. Cover it. Drop the temperature a little. Like so. I wish I had a glass lid for that skillet, but I don't. So I have to look at it every 2 minutes. Since that is very thick, it's going to take some time. Now I'll take a little bit of my Himalayan pink salt and sprinkle it on. This is the bottom, so I know this is a waste of film and it's boring. So what I can tell you to do is, you see this? You usually stick a potato, a boiled potato with it to see if it's done. If it comes out easy, then you know it's done. So we're going to do the same thing with the zucchini. I'm going to shut the film off, wait a few minutes, and stick it. It's been exactly 3 minutes. We're going to take this, little baby right there, turn this over. See, we're getting a little light brown on the garlic, which is great. And we're going to put a little bit of salt in there. And now the Brie. Cover it up. Feel it, nice and firm. Give it another 3 minutes. So it's been another 3 minutes. Shut the flame off. Take off the lid. Get the plate. Pick up. There it is. Take the little ball that you sauteed before, put it in there for a little height. Allows the cheese to come off. And then throw the brown garlic butter on there. Top it off with some scallions or chopped parsley. And there you go. Hope you enjoy that.